where did you get your phone case?
Oh, this. I made it.
Nah.
Yeah, all you do is make the design with beads, iron it, and stick on the clear case.
Really? That's so cool.
I know, right? I can show you more DIY phone case ideas.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go.
This ice cream looks delicious. We gotta take a picture for Instagram and show it to all our friends, right? Wait, actually, I wanna have an ice cream on my phone forever and ever. Make a cone out of some light brown felt and stick it to the case. To make it more realistic, I like to add a few dark brown stripes in a cross pattern like that. All that's missing are some delicious ice cream scoops. What flavors would you go for? I'm starting with a pink strawberry. Next up is a yellow pineapple, and lastly, a scoop of vanilla. I can't wait to eat this tasty creation. Just kidding. Our ice cream is obviously not edible, but it surely looks amazing on the back of our phone. Cool phone cases like that can be ridiculously expensive, but we can make our own with just a few dollars. Bingo! These rainbow shoelaces surely look great on my sneakers, but they will look just as amazing on my phone case. All you need is a silicone phone case in any color of choice. Grab an X-Acto knife and make small cuts along the left and right side of the case. Silicone cases like this are really inexpensive, and you can get them online or in actual stores. Lead a shoelace through the bottom parallel cuts as you would do with your sneakers. Continue making a zigzag pattern as you move up to the last pair of cuts. Tie the shoelace ends into a bow to finish up this cool phone case. How flippin' epic! I'm obsessed with this phone case. And a great thing is that you can switch out the shoelaces anytime and boom, you get a completely new phone case. Go for plain white, solid colored, rainbow, or even glitter shoelaces. The options are endless and you'll have ton of fun customizing your phone case for sure. I'm that clumsy person that always slaps her own face with a phone, and this has to stop. I've been having this phone case for a while and it's time for a change. Out with the old and in with the new. Having a clear case is seriously the best thing ever if you get bored of phone cases quickly. Stick a plain, inexpensive pop socket on your phone case. On top of the socket, glue a little fluffy pom-pom. Add a pair of googly eyes for even more cuteness and your phone case transformation is complete. Pop sockets are so handy as they give you a great grip and help you avoid the phone on the face accident. On top of that, this pop socket looks just out of this world adorable. I honestly feel like I'm having a little pet with me wherever I go. How is it possible that my earphones always get completely tangled with all sorts of junk that I have laying around in my bag? Hair ties, bobby pins, clips, garbage, you can literally find everything in there. A solution to our problem is hiding inside this Kinder egg. This little plastic yellow egg can work great as an earphones keeper. I like everything cute and kawaii, so let's transform this egg into a pineapple. Make little V's all over the egg using brown, bronze, or even black colored Sharpie. Surprise, surprise, we love a good old pair of googly eyes in the Sartis family, so let's stick it to the pineapple. The last thing missing are a signature crown leaves, which I made from a piece of green felt. Stick it on and the Pineapple King is born. This little cutie is so adorable and he'll take a great care of my earphones. I'm so excited to have a clean and organized bag going forward. Not only is our little pineapple friend super useful, but it brings a huge smile on my face every time I see it. Such a cuteness overload. How cool it would be to have a crazy hair color like this. Sadly, I don't have the courage to pull it off, but at least my phone does. Stick a pair of eyes on the bottom of the case. Use a piece of furry fabric for an awesome troll-inspired hairstyle. I like to hide the hairline with a bunch of small pom-poms for a neat look. This guy is just so awesome. Honestly, so much cooler than me, as I've been rocking the same old boring hairstyle for years. If you decided to color your hair into a crazy bold shade, what color would you choose? I would probably go for bright blue highlights to begin with. The only guns allowed in our DIY world are glue guns and silicone guns, right? I wanna make a cool cake phone case using silicone. You can see that my phone case is all stained, so I was thinking about throwing it away. Luckily, I saw this idea on Pinterest and decided to give it a new life. One of my favorite parts of baking cakes and cupcakes is decorating with icing. Here we're doing the same thing, decorating our phone case with icing, but the icing is actually silicone. This looks so delicious. When you're done icing the case, it's time time to decorate. You can use sprinkles or clay sweets like this. Leave your yummy phone case to set, which can take up to a few hours. I enjoyed making this DIY so much. If you love playing with icing too, you need to give it a go. I bought the clay sweets online and they're really cheap. However, you can totally make your own out of clay. Alternatively, feel free to use decorative stones, beads, gems, or anything else you can find around your house. Fluffy socks are a must-have when you want to feel warm and cozy. And even if your socks happen to have a giant hole, there's no need to stress out. Let's give it a new life and transform it into a cute foam pouch. If you're using kneaded socks, a great hack is to use a razor to remove the fluff and the socks will look as new again. Measure with your phone to see how big foam pouch you need and cut it with scissors. Apply a stripe of hot glue to stick the bottom and top part together on one side. Now flip your fuzzy foam pouch inside out and you can decorate it however you like. I decided to go for these mouse-shaped buttons. Feel free to sew them on, but if you're a lazy potato like me, you can totally use a glue gun. Pouches like this are a must if you want to keep your phone scratch-free. I always have keys and other pointy objects laying around in my bag. Make this cozy pouch for your phone and you won't have to worry about getting it all scratched and damaged. I love cupcakes and I love pom-poms. Let's combine those two and make an adorable, fluffy cupcake phone case. Stick a pom-pom on the case using a bit of hot glue. Next, choose a silicone cupcake liner of your choice. My favorite color ever is blue, so obviously I picked this one. Cut your cupcake liner in half and stick it to the case. What a tasty looking cupcake! You can finish here or add a few more decorative pieces to your case and make it even more interesting. Guys, isn't this the most adorable phone case ever? You can also stick a pair of googly eyes to the cupcake, which will instantly give it more personality. I like cupcakes and all these yummy sweets, so having a fluffy cupcake with me wherever I go is pretty spectacular. Galaxy shirt? Check. Galaxy shoes? Check. I want to have a Galaxy phone as well, so let's make one. Take a plain black phone case and stick 3 pieces of masking tape on in a triangle shape. Grab a dark blue nail polish and pour some of it on the case. Blend the color using a piece of cosmetic sponge and a gentle tapping motion. Let's go in with purple and repeat the step. Pour a few drops on the case and tap 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 to blend away. The best thing about Galaxy is that everything's random and you just can't go wrong with it. I want a little bit of hot pink for some pop of color, and why not adding some light pink or white to represent those beautiful star clusters in the sky. Of course, there's no real Galaxy without a ton of shiny stars. Apply some silver glitter polish on a piece of cosmetic sponge and add lots of bright stars to your Galaxy. Now that's what we're talking about. I feel like glitter makes all the difference. I'm very pleased with how my Galaxy turned out, so it's time to peel off all 3 masking tape pieces and reveal the final look. Check out these sharp and neat lines. Whoa, it's so elegant and professional. It definitely looks like a store-bought phone case, but we've made it for way cheaper. Instead of triangle shape, you can do a Galaxy stripe along the center of the case, diagonal stripe, or even give this epic galactic transformation to the entire phone case. So cool, easy to make, and the result is epic. Time to make an awesome watercolor phone design using Sharpies. Start by drawing colored flower shapes on a plain white phone case. I chose blue pink, yellow green, and red orange yellow color combinations for my flowers. Fill the dropper with some rubbing alcohol and drip 1 drop at the center of each flower. The alcohol will spread out, dilute the colors, and mix them together in a pretty marble design. Can you see that? It looks like magic! Wait a few minutes for the alcohol to evaporate and the design to set. Ta-da! We're left with adorable, bright-colored marble splatters. Such a fun DIY to make, and the result is honestly gorgeous. Instead of flowers, you can make any kind of shapes or patterns. Sky's the limit, so go grab your markers and have fun creating! Sometimes life can become so stressful and tense. In those moments, stress toys and relievers can be very handy. So let's create a fun stress reliever phone case. Using a black Sharpie, I'm first outlining the design. I decided to make a happy clown phone case with a big red squishy nose. Feel free to change the design into whatever you prefer. Once the outline is complete, we can proceed to coloring. You know that I love all the bright colors, so that's exactly what I'm choosing for my happy Joker phone case. Quickly color the pupils in black and proceed to applying a red lipstick to the mouth. This already looks so cute and fun to me. But of course the squishy nose will take our creation to a whole new level. Fill the balloon with slime and tie it with an elastic or make a simple knot. Stick the squishy balloon to the center of our phone case cover and voila! Our squishy toy phone case is all done. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, slow down, take a few deep breaths and grab your phone case. With his happy smiley face, Joker will tell you that everything will be alright. Well, I may be exaggerating a little bit, but for real, this little creation will definitely keep us calm no matter what stressful situations life throws at us. You can even play with his squishy nose for a while and I am sure he will bring a smile to your face as well. Don't waste your money buying expensive phone cases when you can make far more amazing things with your own hand. Unleash your creativity and have a ton of fun along the way. Thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you soon. Mwah! Bye!